Hi there and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping in. Today I am posting a video on a client I did the other day. This is her before color or before tone. She's a natural level 5, old highlights in there. It's been a few months since she's been in. We brought her to this beautiful color they are calling the rose brown. I've never done it before. It's my first time. If you would like to see more, please subscribe now. I made it easy for you right here. First, I just did add some balayage pieces in her hair just to brighten some of the ends and a little bit of dimension. After letting sit for about 20 minutes, I rinsed it out. I lightly shampooed and then I applied Olaplex number 2 and let her sit while I mix up the 3 formulas that I will show you here in a minute. I did the Olaplex first because I wanted to prepare her hair so it'll hold the color better. This first formula is the Glaze, and that is going to be 9AA, 9G, 7G, and 9RB, just a splash. This next formula, which is going to be the Lowlights, is 6WG and 6R, almost equal parts, maybe a little more 6R, and I use the new developer. The third formula, which is going to be her shadow root / Lowlight, is 4N and 6N in the shades creams. More 6 than 4. I first applied Formula 1 with the gold 7G, 9G, all those. I applied it as you would a toner, but it's going to act as a filler, and it also adds the gold tones that I want to keep in the hair. So it acts as a filler for the low light of the 6R and 6WG, and it also acts as a filler for the root color, as we're doing right here, of the 6N and the 4N. I'm going to apply the root color all over the head first. After I'm done applying, I go back through, add with foils, low light of this same formula and the red formula. Now I begin the lowlights. Sorry for the shine right in your face. They put a foil up there because when I clip the hair up out of the way, I don't want the ends to touch where the dark is. The first section down here, I'll add the red. I don't actually put any dark in here quite yet because she's already dark enough down there. And notice I go backwards up the hair with it also. Even though it's a dark with a dark, it's still 2 different tones, and you want to make sure that it blends in. I still want to have a transition where the dark stops and the red begins. And if you just like slap that brush on there and sweep down, you might still get a line with that tone. So make sure you blend it upwards towards the root to blend it in. Here I begin the low light, and I do not bring any of the low lights all the way through the ends. I just want to richen that mid shaft and keep the ends nice and bright. Now, she has really fine hair, and I did not want to overpower the red, so I put the red highlights or lowlights in there really fine. Then I started kind of second guessing it, thinking that I don't think it's going to be enough. She wanted quite a bit of a drastic change, so I decided to go in and paint some red over top of that color on the ends. I figured it would just kind of marble in there really, really nice. However, even when we were done processing, she processed 20 minutes. I rinsed her out, and it looked really pretty. It was a really great color, but I kind of wanted it to be more. So, sometimes that happens. I feel like we put, some people you can put a little bit of red on, and they are very, very red. And some people you can put a lot of red on, and you can barely tell it's there. Her hair, like I said, her hair is very fine. It's very porous naturally, and I wanted to have more of an impact. So I went ahead, went back, mix up, and put over top of that the shades Gloss 6RC, and I let her sit with that on her head for 20 minutes. However, I did check it and wipe off a spot every 5 minutes to see where we were, to make sure that I got the tone that we wanted. And it worked out pretty good. After we rinsed, I shampooed her very lightly 2 times and then did a shot of the Redken Extreme and the Redken All Soft. Let her sit for 5 minutes, and voila. Here's the final look straight. Still has dimensions, very pretty color, and then adding some super duper waves. She's going out tonight for her husband's birthday, and she was so excited to rock a little bit of sexiness. I hope she had a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to have more to come. Oh wait, did you subscribe yet? Click this little button right here to the right and come see me again. Goodbye.